You and your friends are relaxing at your place, watching some good Netflix movie, or maybe some new show on Disney Plus, and suddenly, entire crew gets hungry. We all know what happens when more than 2 people want to eat out or order delivery. It takes a long time to get food. On top of that, all the items on the menu look the same. And when you get your food delivered, food looks different than you imagined. Am I right? How many times have you seen a good sales deal, and when you order the item, it just doesn't look the same as the picture? Company that I will talk about today is fixing all these problems for us with implementation of AR technology. If you have never heard about AR, Augmented reality represents experience of a real-world environment where the objects that reside in the real world are enhanced by computer-generated perceptual information. Imagine if you can see the size and angle of your burger before putting the order in. Wouldn't that help you to make the right decision? Today, we will talk about stock that will see massive growth in next 5 years. If you missed Amazon, Tesla, Shopify, try not to miss this stock. Please make that like button turn blue and let's get started. Nextech is one of the leaders in the rapidly growing augmented reality market, estimated to grow from $10.7 billion in 2019 and projected to reach $72.7 billion by 2024. Global spending on AR technology is forecasted to increase by 78.5% this year alone. We are in the midst of the 4th Industrial Revolution, and technology is evolving faster than ever. This revolution is being led by AR and the 5G network, all of which are converging and becoming increasingly ubiquitous for training, e-commerce, advertising, and entertainment. The company is pursuing 4 verticals: virtual conference platform, Aritize for e-commerce, Aritize 3D AR advertising platform, and Aritize Hollywood Studios. Inferno platform was made to allow enterprises the ability to create the world's most engaging virtual event management and learning experiences. According to Grandview Research, the global virtual events market in 2020 is $20 billion and expected to reach more than $400 billion by 2027. They already played over 4,000 events. More than anything else, I'm excited to see platform for e-commerce that they launched early in 2019. Nextech has a full funnel e-commerce solution for the AR industry, including its Aritize 360 app for 3D product capture and its Aritize white label app, the Try-It-On technology for online apparel. According to IDC's Worldwide Augmented and Virtual Reality Spending Guide, we already have biggest 20 industries implementing AR in their services: banking, insurance, investment services, construction, resource industries, retail, wholesale, personal and consumer services. AR technology is here now, and companies of all shapes and sizes are utilizing it to change the way work gets done and to drive better outcomes for themselves and their clients. Often, when a new technology arrives, it can take years for the true killer app to appear that transforms a technology from something interesting to something truly game-changing. Augmented reality is not one of those technologies. E-commerce continues its unstoppable growth. By 2024, it is predicted to reach $6.3 trillion. Several beauty brands have started leveraging the power of this emerging technology for improving overall sales figures. Sephora Virtual Artist is one such example that allows customers to virtually see how makeup looks on face before purchasing the beauty product. eBay, a multinational e-commerce corporation, has recently come up with an AR-based app for Android users. Developed using AR Core, this app enhances the buying and selling experience of customers by offering the next level of convenience to customers through AR box picker feature. Amazon, an electronic commerce and cloud computing company, has added AR View feature in its application for ease of shopping. AR allows customers to interact with the product in real time and deliver touch and feel experience similar to that of in-store shopping. By eliminating the guesswork from online shopping, AR technology has reduced company losses resulting from return requests of customers. AR is the future. AR technology is exciting because it brings real-world benefits to organizations left out of the digital transformation wave. Why? Because in many cases, the job to be done, the process to be revised, or the knowledge to be transferred requires at least 1 foot in the physical world and 1 foot in the digital world. Why am I sure this stock will grow in the next 5 years? This small company with market under 5 million is expanding globally. They are targeting Japan, South Korea, and China. So, I checked what are some AR investing projected revenues for the future. These are projections by millions, and this graph was made before the corona situation. Numbers are probably higher right now, I believe. According to TechCrunch, over $1.1 billion has been invested in the last 2 months in this space. On top of that, Nextech AR just reported Q3 earnings. These are some highlights from it. Record Q3 2020 total bookings of $6.7 million exceeded all of 2019 revenue of $6 million. 331% growth over Q3 2019 revenue of $1,561,425. Q2 revenue grows 133% year over year to $3.5 million. Gross profit grows 171% to $2.1 million with a 60% margin. With over $18 million in cash, company became approved Microsoft partner. If you guys find any value in this video, please don't forget to sub and smash that like button. I love you all and I will see you soon.